You guys gotta check out this video. It's crazily insane. I'm mad at myself. I let somebody else drive my car, the Demon. Give me crack corn and I really don't care. I am running really late. Why don't you put your light before me? Says 40. Move, you busted ass vehicle! If it was a Ferrari, boom! Everybody opens up like, oh my god, it's so shiny. They know you're coming. We're going to Acura dealership to show them what we could do, baby, with our detailing product. Nothing but the best. 3D, baby. Got it. All right.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
Uno. Yeah. Right now we're walking around filming.
Awesome.
So
Hi guys.
Say hi to your mom, your dad.
Hi mom. Hi
you
dad.
watching?
Friends and
Hi
family.
mom, your girlfriend. Say hi to your girlfriend.
Subscribe to Bro's Demon right here.
Yeah. She gets to drive the car.
Okay, I know how I have to angle your car.
When you get
So
out.
we got the lip.
I lost the tic-tac-toe. And she's some.
I won. We're gonna haul ass down the street, and my little Taurus bull's gonna come out right now.
I'm nervous.
He's
I
sweating
want to
over
sit in the
there.
back seat.
Nervous.
Let's go. Be like, peace, we'll be back for you. Go. It's scary.
Actually pretty good. Good. I won the bet. Drove it. Taurus.
Oh my god, never again. Never again. Eso, deme uno y uno. We got tacos, carnita pibil, we got pollo, we got asada, we got it all, baby. Look, the lever's going through. Guys, what it do? We're at Acura of Alhambra. We came out to have fun, brought the car out, saw a bunch of people, met a bunch of people, brought a bunch of little HD speeds to give them out to a lot of lucky people that bought cars, serviced cars, that did a bunch of stuff out here. Grand Slam is the best degreaser, the most powerful degreaser you ever find in the world. They do the engine bays, they do the engine cleaning, they do everything with that. Look, it's not even that heavy. Nelson got this, what's that, 105, 106, 1, 2, I lost count, I can't, sorry. Guys, we're at the detailing bay, about to drop off some products. We got to take care of all these people day and night. We got these detailers because they take care of this stuff, bad boys. Pa' que lo HTC, pa' que lo uses all in one piece for it. Pa' que le den chingón. Ya vienes con la vista como está. Claro que sí. Muchas gracias, jefe. Ya sabes, gusto.
Well, if you follow your dreams and you keep following them and you put your heart into it and your love into it, there's nothing that can stop you to reach the stars. Feel me? So keep reaching those stars, man. And when you touch those stars, go for the planets. Sky's the limit, baby. Remember that.
Guys, this thing's insane. When the light hits it, that white body, and it's just a 392. That's just insane. It's a badass car. Looks sick. Soon. That's why we bring the products here.
The 3D products are the best. That's why we use them all the time.
Appreciate you very much.
We love it.
Thank you.
Love my car.
I love your car though. That color's insane.
You want to switch? I'll take the taxi
for a couple of hours. Yeah.
I love it,
man. That's an insane car. Appreciate you and thank you. We had fun today at Acura of Alhambra. We just had so much fun, walked around, did what we had to do. I even lost the bet, had a girl drive my car, which that's so depressing on my end, but she was so happy. But you know, we have fun, huh?
Oh yeah, you know, especially with the people that buys our products and everything. We go show love no matter where we at, no matter who they are. We always right there showing love back, man, because hey, if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be here, man. He wouldn't be here.
That's true. So let's get it, people. Share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget.
Bros Automotive Detailing, man, on YouTube.